Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo wa kwezono.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanya, Anakelonu. Papa ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you are tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Tasha. Give it up for Tasha. All right, so thank you, Tasha, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Tasha to describe herself and what are the things that she's passionate about. And what she said was that she's passionate about herbal health and healing and wellness and things like that, right? And she's also self-taught in those practices. So I was thinking about the perfect Igbo name to give her. So I'm thinking, okay, herbal health, like comfort, wellness, things like that. Cashapp. Come on, say that with me. Cashapp. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So, Cashapp means like to like increase or to like to strengthen. You know what I'm saying? And then that sound at the end is referring to yourself, right? And obi means like your heart or your chest. You know what I'm saying? Like the place where I guess your strength comes from. You know what I'm saying? Your heart. And so yeah, so you put those two together and you get Cashapp. Strengthen me or comfort me, console me. I think it kind of comes from the longer saying Chukwu Cashapp, which means like God strengthens me or God consoles me, right? And so that's the reason why I gave her that name, because the same way that she likes to strengthen and console and comfort people through her herbal healing and wellness practices, that is the same way that God comforts and strengthens her in order to be able to do that for people. So I thought Cashapp is the perfect name for her. So the short version or nickname for that, or the nickname for Cashapp is Kasi. And so yeah, that's basically what it means, Cashapp, meaning to comfort or to console. All right, so Cashapp's names give them the power to be gentle, confident, and always provide the best hospitality to others. Tag and share this video with all the Cashapp that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video. Like I said, share with all the Cashapp that you know. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. If you would like an Igbo name, please let me know and I will gift you an Igbo name. Just hit me up on my Instagram DM in the description below. And yeah, if you are Igbo, hit me up as well too, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. I appreciate it all. All the engagement is free, likes are free, comments are free. So I definitely look forward to continue to engage with you guys on here because it helps the YouTube algorithm. So every like and every comment goes a really long way. Yeah, thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.